it's Seana from the Seana Method, and I am sharing today an annual organizing habit that will help you keep your space in shape. Once a year, I suggest you sweep out storage areas. What's a storage area? The garage, a shed, a little barn in the backyard, maybe the basement, and if you can get up to one and have one, the attic. Why do I suggest working on the floor, sweeping the floor? The answer is that in order to sweep the floor, you're going to have to take a look at the stuff that's on top of the floor. So if you say my goal is to sweep the floor, you're probably going to be moving or shifting some things that have accumulated. And in so doing, you're going to sort of force yourself to want to take a look at what you've got there. This is a good time to just peek into some boxes. Maybe you've set aside a box of paperwork or a bin of things that you put together when people were coming over, and then you never got back around to looking through it. This is the perfect moment. If you end up with a lot of things to review when you're trying to sweep out your storage areas, you might want to stage them and work on them one container or one box a week or something like that. This is also a great time to kind of think about how you want to put things back. If you look in a box and you see what's inside and you didn't know what was inside before you looked, this is a great time to add a label, right? Next time you'll know what's inside that box and you won't have to explore to figure it out. If you have anything that's decaying or broken or waiting for repair, be honest with yourself. Do I really want to spend the time and money to repair this item? And if not, just go ahead and let it go. You can go ahead and maybe buy some shelving if you need it, so that the items you reset in your storage area take full advantage of the vertical space that you might have. And then give the whole space a sweep and you're done. I acknowledge that this one may take more than just a couple hours. You might need a weekend, or it might span into a couple of weeks. But if you add the discipline of just sweeping out your storage areas once a year, you are more likely to keep that collected stuff at bay. I don't know, will you give this one a try? It's a great annual habit.